Okay, this is Home Place. Now normally it is a 2-lane road. This is after the second storm of 2011. And there's John. But you can see the perspective of the snowbank like this. And there's John's house, Janet's house there. And the old house there. Look at the driveway. And there's the fire hydrant. Stan's house. Here's the driveway at Stan's. That you cannot imagine how deep it is. Oh, there's the stop sign at the corner. And so we can't really see too well on either side. As you can see, there's that way and that way. And it's hard enough to pull out as it is, but we can't tell. Still.